All right, now time for the best story of the day. And it's about a teen who was diagnosed with a rare disorder, and he decided to take his creativity and turn it into a YouTube channel. Emily Longnecker shares his journey to inspire others with art.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Isaac and this is Tris. If you've seen our videos, you probably know who we are.
And if you don't, you're about to find out.
We're ready to paint, and we wanted to bring that painting to you.
Meet 13-year-old Isaac Stark, Whitestown middle schooler, YouTuber, and artist.
And these are the colors I'm going to use. Orange, green, yellow, and kind of like a darkish purple.
Isaac is living with a rare chromosomal abnormality that his family says Isaac's doctors have never seen before.
The doctors have told me there's no other person that they've identified or documented with this particular chromosomal issue. So the doctors are learning more from him than we're learning from the doctor.
And so is his YouTube channel, an online store where Isaac is selling his art, hoping to promote awareness of what it's like to live with a rare condition and the sensory issues that come with it.
And that's pretty much how you could say about my paintings. I just work with what I got.
Taking it one day at a time, come what may, determined that whatever does, Isaac will face that challenge too, and just keep going.
Oh yeah, if you have any questions, please add a comment.
Look, you've got some green popping out here. Ooh.
That looks nice. Ooh.